Starting position, feet hip width apart, toes pointed forward. From here, you're gonna lower yourself down into a squat, pause, come up, and squeeze the shoulder blades back. We'll perform a total of 12 reps. You ready? Let's go. Squat and come up, squeeze, great job. Focus on maintaining proper position and form, keeping your core nice and tight. Squeeze those shoulder blades back, squeeze the glutes. You're doing great. Squeeze, great job. Squeeze. Squeeze, we're halfway there, come on. Let's finish strong. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze, last 3. And 3, 2, and last 1. Great job.